Nevada National Guard State Partnership Program staff began building its strong relationship with Tonga's military and civilian officials in 2014. The State Partnership Program, or SPP, is a United States Department of Defense program managed by the National Guard Bureau that links National Guard states and territories with partner countries around the world to support cooperative security, military, and civilian objectives of geographic combatant commands. The State Partnership Program has been successfully building bilateral relationships for more than 2 decades, and it now features 73 unique security partnerships, including 80 nations from around the globe. The SPP links a unique component of the Department of Defense, a state's National Guard, with the armed forces or equivalent of a partner country, and a cooperative, mutually beneficial relationship. Under the auspice of the SPP, the National Guard conducts military-to-military engagements, military-to-security forces, and military-to-emergency disaster response to support security goals while simultaneously building relationships and capabilities that encompass military, government, economic, and social arenas.
My role here is I'm the navigator of the State Partnership Program. The State Partnership Program is a Nevada National Guard program. And I happen to navigate this ship, and people get on and off the ship and enjoy the journey with us as we continue to build capability in His Majesty's Armed Forces.
But I think this program should be maintained, and we should try to talk more about what we should do in the future to direct our efforts towards what we need most in order for us to develop our capacities to fulfill our roles and responsibilities. Not only us, but also the government agencies.
Via the SPP, Nevada Guard soldiers and airmen are able to bring their expert knowledge to other countries' officials while broadening their own horizons by learning about foreign countries, customs, and perspectives. Reporting for the Nevada Army National Guard Public Affairs Office, I'm Sergeant Zandra Duran.